The Royal Navy officially announced that the Martlet supersonic missile has achieved full operating capability (FOC), marking its readiness for frontline combat. This lightweight, multi-purpose missile, known as the Lightweight Multi-Role Missile (LMM), is now the primary weapon of the Wildcat helicopter against modern threats such as drones and unmanned fast boats. The Martlet represents a significant technological leap in the UK's maritime defence. Developed by Thales UK in Belfast, Northern Ireland, the missile is designed to replace legacy systems such as the Sea Skua with a maximum speed of Mach 1.5 times the speed of sound, a weight of only 13 kilograms, and a range of up to 8 kilometers. The Martlet is compact, affordable, and agile. It can be launched from helicopters, ground vehicles, or ships with multiple capabilities: air-to-surface, air-to-air, surface-to-air, and surface-to-surface. The Martlet project was initiated as part of the UK Ministry of Defence's Future Air-to-Surface Guided Weapon Light program. Martlet first achieved Initial Operating Capability, IOC, in 2021. However, FOC was not achieved until October 18, 2025, after a series of intensive trials known as Explosive Auto. This FOC declaration came just 2 weeks after the Sea Venom Heavy anti-ship missile achieved IOC on October 2, 2025. The combination of Martlet and Sea Venom gives the Wildcat helicopter a double punch: light and precise against small targets, while heavy against large vessels. This strengthens the Royal Navy's capabilities in maritime operations. Final trials were conducted at 2 key locations. First, at Aberporth Range, Wales, a Martlet was launched from a Wildcat to destroy a surface target simulating an unmanned speedboat. The missile successfully hit the target with high accuracy, leaving only debris behind. Second, during NATO exercises in the Mediterranean Sea, September 29 to October 2, 2025, a Martlet shot down a target drone, such as the SCR Alba, both day and night. In these trials, the Wildcat crew used manual laser guidance, proving the missile's reliability in real-world conditions. Martlet production in Belfast supports hundreds of jobs in Northern Ireland, with the MOD investing £162 million to increase production. Defence Readiness Minister Luke Pollard MP stated, "The Martlet is a leap forward in our capabilities while supporting UK economic growth." Internationally, the Martlet has been exported to India in a £350 million deal. More importantly, the UK accelerated the delivery of hundreds of missiles to Ukraine by October 2025, 5 months ahead of schedule as part of military aid. In Ukraine, Martlet is used for air defense against Russian drones, which cause 80% of combat injuries. An additional order for 5,000 units has been confirmed, helping Ukraine in its first drone war against Russia. With FOC, Martlet strengthens Britain's position in NATO and the Indo-Pacific. Wildcat helicopters are now more lethal against enemy drones, speedboats, and even corvettes. This is relevant amid global tensions, from the Red Sea to the South China Sea. As Pollard put it, "From the coast of Wales to the Mediterranean, Martlet equips our sailors with supersonic weapons to keep us safe." Martlet is more than just a missile. It is a symbol of British innovation in the era of modern warfare. With production increasing and exports soaring, the future of Britain's maritime defense looks increasingly strong.